another airdrop which will be listed on BingX. Actually, it was BingX that's listed it, that I make the announcements, and I already checked the market cap. I saw many, they have been mining, people have been mining this airdrop since almost a year now. So I think it's time for them to list it, which it will be listed on the 3rd March, which is next month. So now I think it's time for us to, okay, event will end on 3rd March, so maybe they are going to list it on that same March. So here is the step by step on how to do it. Already I've made use of Telegram, so I'm just going to copy the link. Once you copy the link, you comes here, you is either you copy the link or you just click on the link. It's going to take you there, but I'm going to copy the link and make use of the browser, since already I've made use of the Telegram before now. So once you copy, and it's going to take you here like this, and it will ask you to sign up here to join. Yeah, you see here, you just click on join, and once you click on join, it's going to give you the option, but I think you should just go with email, since email work more better than others. Because if you want to log in again, you will find it little challenges if you use any others. So me, I prefer using email because I actually make use of email. So now let's put our email, betatech.ng. So you just need to put your own email. I'm putting my own email at gmail.com. So you click on you are not a robot, and it will bring a chapter here. So motorcycle. Wow, what is wrong with this? So once you pass the chapter, then it's gonna send you a verification here. It's gonna say verification here like this. So you click on this send verification. So it's going to send you a verification to your email. Now it has sent me my verification. Here is it. I'll just copy it. Then I will head over there and paste it. So now I'm going to paste my code here. Then I will click on go. So now voila, it has logged me in. So all you need to do now is join the community. All you need to do now is to check it to the desktop mode, log it to desktop side. The first thing is you are going to take a quiz, which is very simple. Let me show you. Maybe it's gonna pop up here. Though the site looks so boring, but you know, you're all you need is money, so you don't need to care about their boringness. So this is your home page here. As you can see, though the site looked somehow, so but all you need to do is come to this onboarding. This all these taxes, you just need to do them, although for now they are currently not working. Like follow on the Twitter. Let me follow and see. Let me see if I can be able to follow. So it will start telling me some maya now. But actually, if you make use of desktop mode, you should be able to go, because I also faced that challenges, and after I make use of desktop mode, it actually took me. So since already I've made use of my Twitter, I don't need to use it again, but that is just it. You need to log into your Twitter to on the desktop. Don't If you use app, it's not going to work. So that is your you need to go to the daily check. You just check all this one. Some will go and some will not go. Like this daily check now, it has gone. So you just scroll down and check all of them, but the one that I think you should just focus and concentrate is this like and retweet. I think that is the only one that's worked for me.
So all this one, like and retweet. If you come to the downside, the daily tax mat, like and retweet, just click on the verify. So for now, all these like and retweet, as you can see them here, just click on the verify claim, and once you click on verify claim, yeah, it's going to go. Since already I've make use of my Twitter, so I don't want to jump into another issue again. But let me see if it will surely go. I don't want to. So that is all for now. As you can see, they have many taxes here. They have many taxes here. You just click on it, and if you want to see your how many coin you have accumulate, you click on this downside here. This downside here. The downside, you see small button here. This small button here. Let me highlight it. So this button here, this one, once you click on it, it's going to open. And as you can see, I only got one coin, one TK point. So, and I am number 4,974. So that is all. You just keep accumulating the coin, and we wait for the day on 3rd of March, when the this thing will end. And also you keep checking on it on daily basis to see the coin. But currently now, don't waste your time on this retreat. All you need to focus on this is this. Don't waste your follow, because it's not going to work. So i only I only make use of this, the following one, which is retweet and sorry, not retweet, like and retweet. So this is the one you are going to just, there are many, this like and tweet, there are more than 300, there are more than maybe 30, so you can get almost maybe 300 coin. So, and the other one, they are not working, just leave them like that and just go with this. That's all for now.